really think about it. You know what I'm saying? You set it, you forget it, and then if you make money, you make money, and you're not even watching it, so you're not getting like the emotional side of trading because you just set it. You could come back in the morning and see how you did.
That's like I was hanging with my wife. I was like, I'll be back. And I kind of looked like a little bit before where the session was before 8, and then kind of looking a little bit after, just kind of peeking in, drew the liquidity areas, and I was like, okay, this is where it's going. And then I shut it off, and I didn't even look at it. You know what I mean? It's just sleeping, and the computer's sleeping and bringing money. So.
Yep. Getting paid while you sleep, sir.
Man, I'm trying to do that. I want to do that.
It's like, the more I think about it, there's always like, how many people only have like one tool in their toolbox? You know what I mean? So that's like a good way to just kind of hit it a little bit.
100%. Like I say, trading is extremely personal. You gotta see what works best for you.
Well, what I was thinking, my take on it is they're getting the news that we have kind of after. So if you're interpreting like what they're thinking about certain things, and you can kind of see it. It's kind of a confirmation there. You're not seeing the formal news, but you're seeing like the world news that might affect it. So
yeah.
So that's kind of where I'm at.
No, I agree. Good morning, Neil. Welcome back, sir. I feel like we were just talking not too long ago.
So Duane, where do you think the market's going today? From what you've been looking at so far?
Honestly, like right now, I feel like this is a big bear flag that's printing on the 2 minute.
I was saying the same. Because I feel like when the market hits the the high yesterday, I was like, yo, if tomorrow, I don't think it's gonna keep going up. So I was saying like next day, hopefully it doesn't like drop.
Honestly, I don't care what it does. I just don't want it chopping today. That's my whole thing. I just don't want it chopping.
If it heads back, if it heads back to that range where we were yesterday.
If it heads back to the range, I'm gonna cry a little bit.
Man, I'm like, I hope it don't go there, man.
I just feel with Duane because I just don't want it to be like riding in the range, because I was just like, you're sitting there and it's just like the plays are getting less and less, and you're looking at the 1 minute and it's like, oh, it's moving, and then you look at the side and it's moving like 4 ticks. It's like, okay, that's no good.
Well, hey man, you gotta find my track for me, man.
Huh?
I said you gotta find my track.
Oh yeah.
I got you tomorrow. I'm gonna have to go back in the archives for that one. Man, I'm gonna have to go back in the archives.
Please.
That jazz list.
Yeah, I know it's like on the jazz tip though.
We do have news today at 10 o'clock, folks. 10 o'clock news today.
Double news.
Yep. So we'll be careful with that. Let me pull these charts up on my other computer here. Currently below the VWAP, below the 21 EMA. Where was the close from yesterday? 831 was the close from yesterday. Crazy. Straight crazy. And what's slightly annoying is that we did the push up after we watched the chop out for the morning session. Like, that's the part that frustrated me, because it started pushing up around like noon yesterday, and that's when we had gotten off. Like, so I was like, dang it. It is what it is. We're going to try making some money today. For everyone on the YouTube streams, good morning. You're trading live with the Legacy Wealth Society. We're going to make some money today. What's up, Unk? My dog, Unk, on the chat.
Finally got this stuff to work.
No, you're good, man. You're good.
Yeah, yesterday I was out on the job and I'm sitting there freaking out. I'm like, dude, the Zoom call won't work. It won't work. It won't work. Freaking out. I'm like, I can't get in.
No, you're good. You're good, man. Especially, I appreciate you trying when you're on the site. You know what I'm saying? That makes me feel special. That makes me feel special.
The hardest was to get, because on my phone it wouldn't transfer. I could like send the link to it to join in on the computer, and
yeah,
on my phone I couldn't see the whole link, so I couldn't type it in. So it took days to figure out how to do that.
Well, you made it now, brother. You made it now, so we're good. For the YouTube, how we feeling on YouTube today, people? You guys feeling good? My good brother Neil's in the chat over there. We were just talking last night for the traders during the traders hangout. Tuning in from Cali right now. More power to you, bro. It's early out there.
Early to rise.
Yep. We got 5 more minutes for market open here. We're going to see what the market just gives us. Like, at the end of the day, like last night I was asked, Duane, where do you think the market's going to go for tomorrow's session? And I straight up said, I'm like, bro, honestly, I don't care what direction. I log onto the charts in the morning. I see what direction we're moving in. And I simply look for flags. Like, I do not overcomplicate it. I like to keep it simple for myself, people. Dylan, good morning. Dylan, people were looking for you last night, bro. Fuss and some of the guys, they're like, where's Dylan at? Duane, where's Dylan? I'm like, I don't know. He's a grown man. Ask him when he comes back. Appreciate you tapping in, though, brother. So, we pulled back slightly. It looked like it was building out a bear flag, and then it just started pushing up right there. So, we're going to see what happens today. Hopefully, we're not going to be chopping. Mr. Nelson, good morning, sir. Snuck on in here.
Can't get my other mic to work for this.
Good morning.
What was that, Unc?
How do you change your mic settings on here?
Where it says audio, just click that. Well,
Okay,
I accidentally clicked it too,
perfect.
and you just click right there. You could switch to whatever you want for your audio stuff. Random, what's up, bro? Welcome back, sir. Carmona, good morning, sir.
Good morning.
We're gonna try making some smoney's a day. I'm excited. I let go of yesterday's performance, and now we're ready. I got 2 more 150K accounts, one with Lucid and another one with Tradeify. Just gonna work on those after I work on some fundeds today. Most likely only gonna trade 2 of my funded accounts today and then work on those 250K evals. Try putting 4,500 a piece on those.
But you always said it's a new day, man.
It is a new day. Whenever you have a losing day or a red day, right? You just gotta shake it off. You gotta shake it off and just come back to the charts prepared and ready to execute once again. Because even though you missed the shot the day before, does not mean you're gonna miss the shot again. So that's my mentality when it comes to losing days, is the more you keep coming back to it, the more chances you have to win. Yep. Never let it affect. You're preaching, bro. You're preaching. But as traders, sometimes it's hard for certain traders when they have a losing day to overcome that losing day the next day. Like for me personally, I overcame it, believe it or not, yesterday because I lost the money in 2 fundeds, but then I traded one of my other account fundeds and put money in it. So that was me overcoming the 2 losses, was finishing the day with a green trade. I only took 3 trades yesterday, so. We're currently sitting above the VWAP. For all the new people jumping in here right now, we got the close from yesterday, 25,831.25. Market's getting ready to open in about 30 seconds here. We're going to see where the market wants to go today. We're not going to push. We're not going to rush. We're going to take what the market gives us. And we're praying to baby Jesus and the market makers that we don't chop today. And that's it. I was trying to book.
This music is just soothing.
What was that?
Sitting here vibing.
You said soothing.
Oh yeah, I'm sitting here vibing.
Listen, I try to put it on. I try putting on some calming but nice music. You know what I'm saying? Because for me, I can't listen to hip hop while trading.
Yeah, no,
because
saves me from the tilt.
I'll be like ready, like click, 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 click if I'm listening to some hip hop in here. You know what I'm saying? I gotta do something smooth. Market's open, boys.
Well, to be fair, you always go through your phases.
Yeah.
You know what I mean with your music.
That I do, but I try keeping it somewhat the same. Like I like calming music for the most part.
The only one I didn't like was your death metal phase. That was a little much.
Yeah, that was a wild phase, people. Never going to revisit that phase. Just Full Metal Jacket on the streams. Sleepy, what's up, bro? Sweet baby Jesus, he want to take care of us today. Look at that big old wick on the opening candle right there. Ooh, wheeze.
Holy. I think I'm gonna try to stick to gold today.
Okay.
Last night I didn't realize it, but two of my accounts got renewed, and I thought I took all the credit card information off of Tradeify, but looks like I got two more accounts. So.
Yeah, little secret when you're trading like with Tradeify, any platforms that it's a subscription and always renews.
Sure.
As soon as you activate it, go into your billing and don't cancel it, just stop it so it won't renew. So if you pass it, cool, then you keep the subscription going. And then if you don't pass it, you're not worried about the next month you getting dinged $100 for an account you may not want. Because that happened to me myself. I forgot. And I got like 2 extra select accounts, 50Ks.
Right.
So that's happened to everybody.
That's what we're...
Everybody's done that. Merry Christmas to me, I guess.
If we could say Merry Christmas to that, it's like, man, I did not want these 250Ks. Since I am trying to transition over to the 150Ks.
The worst was I had a tilt account, and then it was just like I was letting it go, and it renewed.
Well, it's not like I didn't want them. I wanted them, but it would have been nice if it was under my own names.
Good morning, Brett. I was waiting for you. Brett's in here now. I can officially start looking at the charts. I can actually start thinking about taking trades today. If Brett didn't come in, boys, I would have just gotten off the stream. Look at that push up right there. Ooh, Nellies. Just gonna honestly wait today till the 9:45. We have news coming out at 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock news today, which will move the market. So we're gonna keep that in mind today as well. So if I have an opportunity to take some trades before 10, I'll definitely take it after 9:45. But if I don't, I'll be having to wait till after the news comes out at 10. Not trying to be in the markets when the news comes out. Adam, good morning.
Hey, good morning. How's it going?
Another day in paradise, man. How's your morning going so far for you?
It's been good. I got on a little early, worked on some stuff. Now I'm just waiting on this morning volatility to,
to settle. Well, hopefully we get some good opportunities today because we're all here for one reason. We all want to make some money. So hopefully we get those opportunities today. before we jump off, and then the market wants to move like yesterday. So we will see. We will see. Mr. Moose, you snuck in here, bro. Like, whenever you guys come in here, you gotta make sure you hit the yurt. Yurt, that's how you gotta introduce yourself when you come on the Zoom calls. I just said you gotta say yurt. I just said you gotta introduce saying yurt, Moose. Come on now. Moose, are we gonna get a retracement? Your mic's really low, just so you
Does Zoom
know.
ever get choppy for you guys?
That's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to see if I get a retracement right now. Can you hear me still?
Yeah, I can hear you now. Much better now.
All right. Let's see. Oh, this thing.
So we came up, we tapped the close from yesterday. And we're just gonna wait to see what we get. Let me start doodling. Since I gotta wait less than 10 minutes now. Where's my mouse? There we go. Let's start doing some doodles. Potential if we build out a little bull flag to keep taking us higher. Yeah, with a pullback like that on that candle, whenever it engulfs the previous candle, I don't like that for flags, just being real for me. Let's see if the bulls could hold it. While we're waiting for the market to
I like
settle.
that respect off the first 5 minute midline.
What was that?
Just the way that that previous candle with of midline, the first 5 minutes.
You're breaking up, dude.
Yeah, you're slightly breaking up.
Yeah, my is terrible right now for some reason. I'm gonna take this to the top of the range.
Ark, what's up, bro? Bulls, we'll see, bro. I know you're happy. I know you were in the market yesterday when that thing started pushing. Because as soon I wasn't even looking at the charts, but when I went back to look, I'm like, yeah, Ark made some money yesterday. He made some money. Because that's what you love, man. You love those bulls. Listen, has any of y'all ever had an issue where you're trying to spend money, but nothing's allowing you to spend money? Like the internet wouldn't allow it. Like yesterday, I was trying to finalize my travel stuff for Canada for this month and my travel stuff for Mexico next month. Trying to pay the money, and websites were crashing. Links weren't working from my concierge out of the ex-Correct. And I'm like, what is going on? Like, they do not want us going anywhere this month. It's wild. I called my bank last night probably like 4 times to the fraud department because they kept locking my card when I was trying to buy stuff, like buy our travel stuff. I'm like, this is crazy. Like,
did they flag something that was like peripheral to that? Like, you sure? Because I just got like yet another letter in the mail that Prosper like got a hold of some stuff and then like screwed up and had a breach.
I'm not even sure. It's one of those things where I was trying to pay through like the portal from the hotel, for like the X Correct, and it kept declining. I'm like, what is this? Like,
yeah, like years ago, like I froze my credit so nobody could do anything with it. But
yeah,
it's like, I got the cards I need and the credit lines I need, and if I need to, I can open more. But
no, that's cool. I was just using my debit card, to be real, just to pay it, and it kept. I was getting the text notifications from my bank, a suspicious activity, because it's processing in Mexico, and the bank knows I'm not in Mexico, so that's why I say suspicious. I'm like, no. I talked to him on the phone, like, I'm trying to buy this, unlock my card, and put in the little notes in your little system that I'm making a purchase in Mexico. Like,
it's for travel, you know what I mean? If it's for travel, it's not like you're buying like a hat in like a Tijuana grocery store. No, but the best part of freezing the credit is I don't get those stupid 8 letters a week saying try our credit card. Like the amount of mail that I've saved over 10 years.
I mean, you need to look into that because I get tons of mail.
Yeah, so I mean
that I never open.
And if you freeze it, you can unfreeze it if you want to open new lines and stuff like that. But it's just like it's never impeded me once. You know what I mean? And it gives you that peace of mind that somebody's can't run around and try to buy something huge or something.
Bulls are still pushing. We cleared yesterday's high, just cleared the overnight high as well. So, alrighty, we're going to have us a little range today. For your charts, just so you can mark them, the low of this 15-minute range, 771 even. 771 even for the low. And once we get to 945, we'll have the top. I'll let you know.
I got in
confident it's not going back down.
I got in a little retracement, and I got in at 225, but I got out. I got out way too early. But that retracement is gonna push up a little bit.
That was me yesterday on my final trade for the day. I put like $800 in on the one trade, but if I would have just stayed, I probably would have made like $3,000.
Yeah, man. That's
we could all talk about the one that got away, but we're not fishing, guys.
Yeah, but still, like I should have trusted my intuition.
But Moose has got big intuition, man. I talked to the man, and I've talked to him outside of this call, and the guy's a legend, okay?
He is a legend. He gives me the best fade that a barber could give a client, you know what I'm saying?
Listen, we're coming to a zone, right, from yesterday where it was really choppy. I mean, from Friday, it's really choppy. I think the zone is going to be really hard to get through. It's at 25,876, like around that choppy area. If you take a look at Friday, this
consolidation zone.
Oh yeah, all that. The whole entire day was consolidation on Friday.
Yeah, that shit.
Well, I'm on Friday currently, but we're not. We're currently above it.
Oh no, we're not. We're right below it actually right
now. My stuff is at 852 right now. Friday, we weren't up here on Friday.
Are you talking about the same Friday, guys?
Friday, December 26th. I'm sorry.
Oh my god.
If you look left, December 26th, there's an area 85, 858 or 860.
Yeah.
That area right there on Friday, December 26th, it was really bad. That's where we're at right now. We might be retracing down from that area. There's a lot of consolidation.
Rick, appreciate you coming in properly. Listen, boys, you need to be like Rick. He came in with the yurt in the chat. Appreciate you, Rick.
Well, you got to tell me where that came from. And first of all, we were here before you, so you didn't come in with a tent or a yurt or anything else yourself, sucker.
You guys were on the call before I jumped on. You are correct, Steve.
Damn straight.
Rick, we'll make the money for you, bro. We're going to make it. I'm going to dedicate it to you today. So if I do really good, I did it for you. If I did really bad, it's because you weren't here. So.
No, man, this is like.
No pressure. No pressure today. Building another bull flag. Building another bull flag. Less than a minute here for me to be cleared to trade, but I'll wait till 9:46.
8:46.
Yeah, yeah. Listen, today was an interesting morning. I actually slept in.
Are you in like Newfoundland or something, or like far east of Maine?
No. I slept in today. I rolled out of bed like at 8:50 today.
Good morning, gentlemen.
What's up, Mitch?
Ladies. What's happening?
Another day in paradise. How was everything with the fam last night?
They're doing pretty good. My grandmother's just pretty tired. She's resting right now. Just gave her some more meds. And my grandfather, he has been put on a heavy sedative because he was very combative last night. He was trying to rip out his IVs and bite and fight the nurses and all that. So they put on mittens on him to keep him from doing any damage to himself or the staff. So my sister is there right now just reading a book. She's also a nurse. So she's sitting by his side and just waiting for him to wake up. I'm just trying to keep my grandmother occupied so she doesn't stress out.
Well, hoping everything works out for him and for you.
I appreciate that. So far we're up on the day. We made 225. So
hey, we'll take it. We'll take it.
All right, we're on the same boat. I did 224.
Let's go.
That's why we're all brothers and sisters in here. You know what I'm saying? Like twinsies.
Yes, sir. I was waiting for this range to stop so we can get another setup and maybe shoot up to the 900 area or drop back down.
High of the 15-minute range, 86425. 86425, gentlemen. That's the high of the 15-minute range. Let me switch my mouse over to the trading computer. And let's see what we get.
What are you looking for or no? Oh yeah.
So we broke out the range right there. All right, from your lips to God's ears, bro. We're gonna try print some money today. First target I got's 910. 910.75. That's the first target. Go ahead, boy. Ark only just made like $200,000 a day.
Dang.
He's going back to bed.
Looking legendary moves over there.
Where are the daily
What's your first target?
First target 910.75.
Okay.
I'm just waiting right now because we popped out of this 15-minute range, but I want to see the pull back into it before we keep going. All right, so we did pull back in. New candles trying to push out now.
You say 910.75?
Yeah, that's my first target.
Shit. My bad. I'm like looking crazy. Like, where is that? I found it. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's the top 5 one.
Definitely gonna breach an account right now.
Well, don't do that. Namaste, like woosah. Patience.
Well, for some reason, my copier is not working, and I mean, thank God it didn't work there. I have my stops at 55. Came down, tapped me out, hit my TP. That's cool.
Okay. Yeah. That's why I don't trade with stop losses, boys. I do the mental stop. How much am I willing to lose?
I'm trying to lose $0. Let's be for real.
Listen, it's something every trader has to think about.
That's
Because you're going to have trades that you're going to take an L on. So you just have to tell yourself, are you willing to lose 100, 200, and so on per trade? So if you have a $500 max for the day, are you going to break that up into 5 trades, $100 per trade, or 2 trades of $250? You have to ask yourself that.
And these bull flags, tools ever.
What was that, Carmona? It was breaking up slightly.
Those bull flags are volatile. Boy.
Yeah. We're right below the high of this 15, breaking out once again right there. I'm gonna be patient, because I feel like there is some slight selling pressure up here.
I think this is gonna be like the last 2 days, where it shoots up really high, 11:30ish, 12 o'clock, boom, come back down.
Well, we got news in 10 minutes. In 10 minutes.
The last 2 days we've had engulfing candles at opening.
What is the news, CPI?
Let me pull it up 1 second here.
There was 2 items.
Yeah, news for today: the PMI and JOLTS job openings. 8 minutes 54 seconds till that comes out.
Okay, is there anybody in here that can help me with my bandwidth? I have like the best internet, and for some reason this is so choppy.
That I'm not good with. Anyone could help Unk out.
What prop or system are you using?
What's that?
What platform are you on? Or what system are you using?
Just like in through the Zoom is what I'm saying. Like the Zoom is super choppy.
Oh, the Zoom is okay. I thought you meant like your chart was super choppy.
Did you change your Wi-Fi? What Wi-Fi are you on? Are you on 4 or
Spectrum?
4? Yeah, but does it say Spectrum 4? Or does it say Spectrum like 5
or like
5 something, right? 4, I think, is the strongest one.
Yeah, I don't know. I just got a gig of internet speed.
No. But
it was like,
go to your Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi signal on your computer. Click on it, and it should tell you what you're connected to. See, mine says Spectrum F4, and there's a Spectrum E7. Get me? I think he's lagging. Nope. Can you hear me? Nope. Well,
Yeah, we can hear you, Moose. We can hear you.
no, I'm like, is he hear me? No.
mine is Spectrum 5.
Yeah, he's definitely lagging. You got to change, if you can hear me, you got to change your Wi-Fi connection to Spectrum 4 or whatever 4. The 4 is the strongest.
Yeah. I mean, I can, but it's so spotty.
Yeah.
I'm on Spectrum 5.
No, switch to 4.
Thank you.
Switch to
I
4.
appreciate it. Let me.
Carla, the Zoom, that's with the Legacy Wealth Society. Or Carl, that's with the Legacy Wealth Society there. My private trading community, that the market makers, they trade live with me on Zoom, where I can interact. They can ask questions live while we're in the markets.
I'm so mad I missed it.
And what we're trading today is the Nasdaq. We trade the Nasdaq for these New York sessions. There we go, clearing some wicks there.
Sorry. Just let me mute myself. I'm over here.
I want to take a long, but I'm not trying to get caught up again. Not trying to get caught up like I did yesterday. I want to see a clean momentum on a flag. Let's see. Yeah, so we're having issues breaking out of this 15-minute range. We pop out, but then we come right back in. So hopefully this isn't where we're going to be chopping. From my lips to the market maker's ears. We have news coming out in 5 minutes, people. News in 5 minutes. So be flat for 10 o'clock. Be flat. No reason to get stopped out or chopped up in the news coming out at 10. We're back above the 15-minute range. I want to take this long. Because on the 5-minute we had that bull flag.
My phone.
Hey, Duane, keep in mind at 10 o'clock, man.
Yep. No, I'm watching. I'm watching. Trust me, I'm watching. Let's see. Yeah, we got 3 more minutes. I'm gonna have to wait till after 10 at this point. And we do have some selling pressure up here as well. So we let's see what flag we get. I'll say that. Let's see what flag we get. Has anyone been working out since for the new year? Your boy's been in the gym crushing it. Straight crushing it. So make sure you're working on your health while you're building your wealth. You know, so you can actually enjoy it, people.
I've been currently doing like 100 push-ups every morning, and then doing some core exercises as well, since I'm a little far away from the gym with everything going on.
Okay. Hey, as long as you're doing something active, right? That's the biggest thing. You gotta stay active. A body in motion always stays in motion. But when you're not being active, I feel sluggish. Oh, Neil, I already know that one.
Yeah, plus my brain feels sluggish too. Can't think straight.
Yep. That's how I feel when I eat too much. If I eat too many carbs back in the day, don't ask me to do anything. I'll be, huh? What's that?
I get food coma so easily.
Yep. Oh, I do too. When I eat carbs, oh, I'm ready for bed. Thank God I did not try going long. I saw the selling pressure up there. We got we're coming up on a minute for the news to drop. Minute on the news to come out. The itis is real, bro. The itis is real. But since I've been on the carnivore diet, I never had to worry about the itis anymore. Yeah, we may start coming slightly down here. Just looking at all 3 of these previous candles with those top wicks showing pressure. Codex, what's up, bro? 20 seconds. 20 seconds for news, boys. 20 seconds. Neil, honestly, I love it. I feel dialed every single day. Where I don't even think about food because, like, there's the news. There's the news dropping. That little quick little on the raincoats, that was the news. No, it's not expensive.
I'm looking for this long retracement right now. Oh, look at that.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, I love it. Come on now. Sorry. Yes. Come on. Touch my EMA. Let's go.
The news was the PMI and JOLTS job openings that just came out.
Retrace, baby. Come on. I can jump in.
You going long or short moves?
Short.
Just asking.
Sorry.
I would want to see a bear flag get printed.
Let's go. Up. Higher up. Watch.
We're right here around the close from yesterday. Yep. Quick little drop too. That's why we don't trade during the news, because you never know what direction the news is going to take it.
It's gonna touch the EMA. The VWAP.
We already went through the 21 EMA.
It's gonna go through. It's gonna touch my 9 on the 15.
There's the middle of the 15-minute range. Next thing below us is the VWAP.
Retrace. Come on, man. No, listen. If it doesn't retrace, then I'm not gonna jump in because then it'll trick you. Oh, don't touch the VWAP, please. Come on. Upsetting.
Let's see if we build a flag right here in the middle of this range right here. Stone, we're trading the Nasdaq, brother. The Nasdaq. Welcome to the stream, by the way. Sitting right here in the middle of this 15-minute range where we don't diddle in the middle. Give me a flag. Give me a flag. Come on, market makers. Build out this nice little bear flag. Give us some good downside momentum once it's built. And take us through the VWAP. Let's go test the low of this range. I'm good with that. So on the 1 minute, it's showing a flag that's being built. The 2 minute, we're working on building out a bear flag as well. Nice, bro. Yeah, we trade the Nasdaq Monday through Friday. We're putting lightning in a bottle. That's what we're doing here. As soon as I move the line over, I apologize, people. As soon as I doodled my line on the chart, the market ran from it. how many hours per day? We trade from 9:30 a.m. till 11:30 tops, and we're done for the day. For all the new people on the YouTube streams, every single day we trade live with you guys, and every single night we have a traders hangout where we talk, we vibe, we talk about the charts, we talk about life, and everything in between. So make sure you like, subscribe, so you can come have fun with us for the trader hangouts and make money with us for these morning sessions.
Orange is a little choppy. I like it.
It was breaking up slightly, so just so you know, Carmona.
How is this? This better?
Way better, way better.
Okay.
Crystal clear.
Yeah, it's too choppy for me. Too choppy.
I feel that one.
You're up 470 on the day.
Go ahead, Mitch.
I'm just hopping in and out, quick snipes, you know?
Yep, that's how you gotta do it. Base hits, quick base hits.
Trying to get back to where I started at after yesterday's blowout.
Yeah. Stone, appreciate you, bro. Appreciate you. This week we should hit 1,000 subs. Crazy to say that. I see this that I want to take, but on the 5-minute. Let's see. Let's get. We got all those wicks though. Are we getting ready to go long? Neil, 100%. I'm looking at the orb. We keep breaking out slightly, then pulling right back in. We have not officially cleared out of the orb. Let's see if we get a little bull flag right here on this 1 minute. We're trading futures, the Nasdaq. Welcome. %, Neil. 100%. The Bulls want to, but these bears keep coming in. As soon as we lightly breach the 15-minute range, they whip it right back down. So Stone, I watched multiple time frames. So the screen that you're looking at, this bottom one, that's the 1 minute. The one to the right, that's the 5 minute. The Renko bars, that's per the price action. So that's moving per that. So this isn't a timed one for the Renkos. And then I'm also watching the 2 minute on my other screen over here. So looking at multiple time frames just to see what's actually going on in the market. So we're trying to get that bull flag. The 2 minute we're building that bull flag out. Bulls need to step out. I want to push through the yellow line so I can take a long. But we have to have momentum. We have to have momentum. No momentum, no trade. Right now, legit just consolidating. When the Rinkos are looking like this, like going sideways like that, that's consolidation. The move comes after the consolidation. There's a slight range break there. Yeah, we're chopping right now, boys. We're chopping. The Bulls want to push out of this opening range here, but they need to just take it. A quick swipe. Not a nice breakout. We're not really breaking out. We barely break out, then the bears step in. So that's why I have not entered a trade yet. I need it to be clean. Lots of selling pressure trying to step in, but let's see if we actually get out of this range here and actually push. Come on, Betsy. I closed out. We're getting ready to come on down. So let me protect that one. Oh, let's see the chat. No, I only trade the Nasdaq stone. Only trade the Nasdaq. Well, I took along because I thought we were going to have a little bit more push. We did not get it. Wave. The first day in the market is what the market moved so clean. I mean, so freaking clean. And ever since then, we've been chopping.
Yeah, of course, because that was a day I wasn't here.
Let me rotate my account.
Call me up to tell me about it.
Is that the right one? No, that is not the right one. Let's see. Where's it at? Friday. Yeah, Friday was the best day so far for the year. The market was moving super clean. We've been literally just chopping ever since. I'm looking at the 1, the 2, the 5, and then looking for on the Renko bars as well. So we did. Oh, music just ended. Let me get us another playlist over here. So on the 1 minute, we just had a small little bear flag print. Thank God I closed that when I did. I would have been upset if I didn't.
Is this gonna be a waterfall for you?
We'll see. I gotta get another flag. Come on, Betsy. We're currently sitting at the close from yesterday right now. Want to see us get a flag right here, take us lower. Currently below this 21 EMA. So let's see what we get here. Don't fight the market today, people. The market's not really moving super clean how we like it. So we just gotta take our time. We gotta be patient. How's everyone doing today so far? Everyone good in the chat? In Legacy, how we doing? Are we up? Are we down? Are we all around? Talk to your boy.
So far, I'm up. Just trying to get back to the 50K spot because, you know, so we're up, what is it?
It happens. It happens to all of us. Listen, that's like the biggest achievement though, Mitch. I'll be real with you. When you have a freshly funded 50K account and you go into drawdown on your first couple days and then you're able to bring it back, I think that's awesome.
Yeah.
One of my fundeds, I pulled it back from the clinches of almost being blown. You know what I'm saying? We were probably like $400 away from blowing it.
Dang.
And I brought it back and got payouts on it. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Hey,
I'm
that's
like,
encouragement right there.
like, listen, just base hits, drop your size so you're not risking as much.
Yeah. Been doing
And then
well
when you get back to the 50K, then you can add size that way.
Yeah. We're 300 down from 50K, so.
Oh, that's not bad. That's not
Few
bad.
market movements, and we'll be
Yeah.
back to treading water again with my head above the surface.
Crip, what's up, bro? You know, Crip, you're welcome for the content, bro. You're welcome. I'm doing this so I can help people, man. This is the best thing any one of us could ever do. Trading. Beats up 1,200. Congrats, bro. Is that a funded eval? Let me know. A personally funded. Yeah, this market's just a blob market right now. So yeah, I want to put money in this 150K account funded so I can rotate to 2 other evals that I need to trade because I want to get those passed so those could be added to the funded list. So for the new people in here, I trade my funded accounts first and then I rotate over to evals so I can have evals on standby. So currently with like Tradeify, I'm maxed out. I can't get any more I can't get any more fundeds because I already have 5. But with how the market's been moving, I already told myself today and probably the rest of the week, I'll only trade 2 fundeds per day. Only because the markets need to be moving cleaner for me. Nice, bro.
Listen, I'm not putting them funders out. The market is moving how I want it.
That's the way you have to do it. You gotta protect it. You
Up,
gotta
Pete?
protect that capital, gentlemen. We gotta play defense as well. I know we love playing offense, but we gotta play defense as well with our funded. Because listen, hopefully we get at least one day this week like Friday. If we do that, I don't care how the week goes. Like, I just need that one day where I can put in like close to 10 grand. Yeah,
I need a day like Friday.
I'm good. But that's the whole thing with trading, right? We get those really great days and then we'll have like a trash week.
This is not trash week.
Beats, that's awesome, bro. Congrats. Took a 5K payout yesterday. Awesome. What firm was that with, bro? I'm working on a 5K payout for next week with one of my fundeds as well. Top Step, nice. I trade with Tradeify, Take Profit Trader, and now officially Lucid. So those are the firms I trade with.
Hey, you got your Lucid account, Brian?
Yeah, I got it yesterday.
Nice.
I got it last night before our traders hangout, just so I could be part of the club. You know what I'm saying? Because I know some of you guys had Lucid accounts. I felt left out.
We're glad you joined.
For all the new people jumping here, every single night we have the Traders Hangout, the go-to late night stream to look at the charts, to talk about the charts, to talk about life and everything in between people. The reason why this channel's been growing so quick is because 1, we're consistent, and 2, we're literally trying to communicate and hang out with you guys to make sure you guys are winning. You know, so for those trader hangouts, we got a lot of the Legacy Wealth Society members that jump in there, and we're just chatting about life, trading, and we're answering questions. So if you haven't liked and subscribed, make sure you do so you get the notifications when we go live, because we go live twice a day. Trying to make sure everyone's winning. That's what this is about for me. So we had a small little bear flag on the 2-minute. Right now, I'm really not feeling this market today, because we're literally just going sideways. You can't trade sideways.
Pretty high number too.
You know, can't trade sideways.
It's like that one video of the that Humvee with the soldiers in it. And they go,
Oh yeah.
He's like, y'all gonna make me lose my mind. Up in here, up in here. That's how today's feeling.
Are we getting ready to start coming down? I see a little something here, but it's not much. So I'm not even. Right now, it's the market's hands off for me. I gotta see some clean momentum. Clean momentum. Not trying to get chopped up. Come on, Betsy. Come on, market makers. What are we doing here? Give us something. Because what I don't want happening is we go slow like this, and then when we get off the stream and everyone goes to do what they have to do for the rest of their day, then the market shoots up or goes down. You know what I'm saying? I hate that. That's my only pet peeve about the markets. It likes making moves after we get off the stream sometimes, without us.
I woke up last night during the London session and checked the markets, and I was like, oh, it's going to touch down here. I was like, oh, I should take a trade because I know it's going to happen. Literally saw it happening.
Yeah.
I woke up and, oh my gosh, I was frustrated. I was like, dude, why'd I fall asleep?
It happens. It happens. Are we possibly going to start to push? Let's see. We got to clear some previous wicks for me to want to go long. I'm not trying to get chopped up how I did on the first trade I took. All right, just broke out of the 15-minute range right there. I want to see the bulls actually have some like momentum here. If they get some momentum, I'll take a quick scalp to the high side here. Come on, Betsy. If we lose this high of the 15-minute range, then I'll close out. If we don't, I'll keep this trade open.
you in on a long?
Yeah, I went on long because I feel like we want to push. But if we lose the high of the 15-minute range, I'll just close it. Because like we're teetering right on it.
There's some serious resistance there.
We're back in the 15. I'm getting ready to close this out. Back above the 15. Come on, Betsy. The Bulls want to take it. They want to push. But the resistance up here has been crazy heavy today. Let's finally push. Come on. Or make a couple dollars.
Yeah, it could be shooting up to the 500.
Well, the first target I had was 910. Come on, Betsy. Give us some more. Like, it wants to push. It's been priming, wanting to push here. Come on, Betsy. Come on, girl. We got a little bit more. Come on. Come on. Give Daddy some more now. We need more. Close out. $1,200 trade right there. Even if it keeps pushing, I locked in the $1,200 funded account.
Nice work.
We'll take that all day long. Sorry, chat. I was focused on this screen over here because when I go into a trade, I can't watch y'all. I'm sorry. I can't look at the chat. Your boy's hyper focused on watching the momentum on the Rincos. And yes, I should have stayed. Look at that. It's still going. But we are coming up to that whole number. Yeah, I did not want us to hit the 900 and reject. Because if you know about whole numbers, it gets kind of wonky. It gets kind of wonky. Delroy, what's up, bro? Welcome back. A little reminder, sir, don't forget to drink water. Patrick, I appreciate that. Got it right here, sir. We stay hydrated in these parts. Izzy, what's up, dude? Just going through this chat. I just blew my... Soph, base hits, bro. Remember, base hits gets the payouts, man. Base hits. It's easy to get greedy. It's easy to get greedy. But base hits, people. Base hits. Well, I'm going to rotate over to one of my fresh evals. Like I said, I'm only trading 2 of my fundeds per day this week because the market hasn't been moving fast enough for me to get through all my fundeds. Like how I did on like Friday, I went through like probably four of my fundeds on Friday, but the market was moving fast enough for me to get through them. So I'm gonna switch over to some of these 150K evals, one with Tradeify, so I can start working on this one since I got trading for 3 days. Let me pull the number up so I could rotate over. But just put that 1215 funded account with Tradeify. We'll take that all day long. And now, just so you guys know, I will be trading a little bit more aggressively since this is the eval. I do not trade them like a funded. I'm more aggressive in evals than I am with my actual funded accounts, just so y'all know. So I don't care if we make it or blow it. I'm aggressive. Izzy, my dog. Awesome, bro. Well, tomorrow, and that's why I did not hold that trade, people, just so you saw. We hit the 900, and that's the big old rejection that I did not want to see. That's crazy right there. I have been sick to my stomach if I was trying to be greedy to get more on that $1,200 trade I took. Izzy, you're definitely going to pass it tomorrow. And with a big move down like that, right? Instantly, I think because we've had so much pressure up top, let's see if we either retrace back up or we're going to keep going down. Yeah, it was a nice retracement if you were ready for it. But if you were still long and it did that, you got stopped out or blown up. One of the two. You'll definitely get that 60 tomorrow, bro. Base hits, drop it down the sides. If you're trading only one contract, you'll have that $60 within a couple seconds. Yeah, that was a dirty pullback. I'm not even going to front. I wasn't expecting to pull back all the way like that, but that was dirty because that just definitely hit some people hard. Stuff. I do not trade Top Step. I just like, honestly, Tradeify, take profit trader. And I did get a 150K Lucid account as well. Stone, sorry to hear that, bro. Legacy, how we feeling, boys? Sylvester, what's up, bro? You snuck in here. Whenever people come in these chats, you gotta say, yeah. That's what I need.
Yeah.
Mitch, I think you're the only one that actually does it for me. You know what I'm saying? Everybody else is like, nah, I ain't doing it. I ain't doing it.
What's up, fellas?
What's up, man? How's your day going up there in Detroit, brother?
Going good. Just took one little quick snipe for 400 and some change.
Awesome. Congrats. Love to hear that. I love seeing the community winning.
Wait, did you get a 150K Pro with Lucid or what kind?
No, I did their flex.
Okay.
I did their flex account. So, because like I said, I'm trying to transition from the 50K to the 150Ks for this year. So I'm gonna be in the process of getting them all passed, so that way whenever a domino does fall, one of my fundeds per firm, I can just activate the 150K and there we go. Valid. Nova, appreciate that, bro. Appreciate the year. Love it. Ayo, keep watching the streams. You'll be able to get it funded yourself. Just takes time, brother. Just takes time. Because I think I'm gonna have to. I had to reach out to Tradeify because one of my funded accounts I have not been able to trade in like for the past like 15 trading days. Like because something triggered in it where I was in drawdown in it, but it's funded, but it won't let me trade it. But it's still active. I didn't blow the account. Because with the growth accounts with Tradeify, they'll stop you at $1,200. So it stopped me out, but it never released on the following day. And I reached out to them. They're like, oh, it could be trade evade. I'm like, well, y'all need to figure this out because it's a funded account. So help your boy out, please. Looking like a bear flag. I want to break through this yellow line and I'm going in. I'm gonna be going downtown. Let's see if we break through the yellow line. Come on, Betsy. Come on. We can do it. It's like right there too. So let's see if we get the follow through. We need follow through here for me to feel like good about it. There's the line tap. Holding. I'm watching the Rincos. I'm watching the Rincos. I want to see it looking heavy. Like right there, that slight little green push on the Rinco bars. That's not where I want to enter. I want to enter with the momentum to the downside. We're starting to get a little bit more active on the charts. So kind of happy about that. Starting to get a little bit faster reactions and movements. Lurk. So is that what he's doing? He's just going to everybody's streams? Just waiting. I'm waiting to see if we get this bear flag. Look at the 5 minute as well. Just want to see. Delroy, I'm sorry, bro. Were you not listening? I said be careful at that 900 level because there may be a rejection.
That was like a decapitation, man.
It was bad. It was bad. Stone, yeah, so we can make money either ways, longing or shorting with my strategy that we use. It does not matter what the market's trying to do. As long as we see our pattern with momentum, we can execute.
Are we trying to make our way back up there or what?
Well, as Moose would say, this may be the retracement to the markets here. But honestly, we're just waiting to see because
that was the retracement happened on that big drop. Like, the big drop happened suddenly. I think we're probably gonna shoot up.
yeah, Stone, my strategy's crazy simple, man. Crazy simple. That's why we're able to make the type of money we do make, because we're not looking for one side. We're looking for either side, longs or shorts, as long as we have the correct pattern that we're looking for. If the bulls keep pushing up, then we may continue up, but I got a feeling we'll see. Let me not put the horse before the cart here. On the 15-minute, definitely looking like if it wants to go up. Just floating through some of these higher time frames. Let's go, Betsy. Give me a G in this one. There's the G. Let's see if we could get a little bit more. We hit that 900 level, which I do not like being in trades. I closed out of that one since we did hit that 900. I don't want another rejection here. I do not want a rejection. So that's why I just closed out of that trade. I do not care if it continues higher without me, because I'd rather stay safe than sorry. Aura, what's up, bro? Welcome.
We can always re-enter if you're feeling it, baby.
Exactly. So I'm gonna wait till we get above 910, above 910.75, and we'll keep it going. Or you could hit me on IG, bro. Shoot me a DM on IG and we could chat. Stone, you're correct. I locked in the profit. That's the number one name of the game. Lock in the profit. So listen, up a G, I might as well close. If I have another entry, sure, I'll take it. But I don't like being in trades at whole numbers, because at whole numbers, like I said, it gets wonky. It gets wonky. So that's just me. And for most traders, they'll tell you the same thing. Around whole numbers, the market gets wonky. They may say different terminology, but it gets wonky. So and let me rotate over to my Lucid account now. I'm just going to keep rotating. That's what I do. I trade, I rotate after each trade per account, and we keep it moving. Lucid, there we go. I do not copy trade. I rotate my accounts because I feel like that's safer. Because if you take a bad trade on one and you're copy trading, you took a bad trade on all. And I don't want to do that. All right, we're coming up to the 910 where that's where I had my first target for the day, above the 15-minute range. 910.75 to be exact. Stone, I'm right there with you, bro. You come to the right stream, my brother. We doing the same thing. We lock in our profits so we can live to fight another day. And by locking in profits, that's how you actually get payouts from prop firms. Crazy. Super crazy. Once we get above that 910.75, I want to see how the market's going to be moving because we got the pivot point up there at 936.75, 936.75. And we already know, if you've been around this channel, and if you're part of Legacy, we already know those pivot points act as big old magnets. So that price may want to shoot up there. And if it does, we're going to take it. All right, yes, sir. It's the same name as my YouTube channel, brother. Can't miss it. Can't miss it. I'm the same looking guy over there as I am on YouTube. Just honestly still waiting to get above this 910.75 because I want to see if we push back down from it. Victor, this is all manual trading, brother. Right here. This is a trained sniper. This right here is the cleanest sniper I've gotten yet. Not gonna lie. I'm trading Nasdaq futures, brother. Trading futures, Nasdaq. I traded Monday through Friday live with you guys and with the Legacy Wealth Society. To be honest, I'm not big on bots only because like I want to be in control. You know what I'm saying? Like I want to have control of entering and exiting because it's money. It's my money. You know what I'm saying? Like I'm not trying to have someone else trade my money. Like that's just me. Because if I mess up, I could honestly take that and deal with it. If a bot or something messes up, I'd be hot. I'm sure you can, Stone. I've never tried. Or I'll be looking for it, bro. So I've taken 3 trades today. 1 red, 2 green. Not too bad. Not too bad for the day. Thankful it's a green day. Overcoming the red day from yesterday. After this, I got to work on paying for my hotel in Mexico for next month because my bank was acting retarded last night when I was trying to pay for it. They were trying to lock my card, saying suspicious activity because it was a charge for Mexico.
Yeah, but you've been there before. That's what's so weird. You know?
Yeah, but the whole thing is with that, right? Because last time it did the same thing. I just used my other card to buy it because it's a headache. Listen, my bank will literally lock my card if I order a pizza. Like
Well,
they'll say it's
yeah,
suspicious
but-
activity if I order Domino's.
Yeah, but they know you're eating carnivore, so they call it
Well, their system does not know. Maybe my banker knows, but not their system.
that could be a line item on your account.
Yeah, do not let this account cannot purchase pizza.
No
That'd be
carbs on
crazy.
This account. This is a carb-free card.
Hey, you never know. Possibly. Sounds good, man. Delroy, what type of account was it? Was it a growth account? If it was a growth account, it'll lock you out. So you won't be able to trade till tomorrow. Strategy, bro, please. Well, Victor, I got you because I'm a likable guy. So I trade bull flag, bear flags with momentum. No momentum but a flag, I'm not taking it. We have to have the momentum. Yeah, Delroy, you'll be able to trade it tomorrow. You're locked out of that account for today since it's a growth account. Yeah, or I'll check out my DMs once I get off the stream. And that's 95% of the strategy. Bull flags, bear flags, and momentum. Nothing more, nothing less, fellas. I keep trading simple. Because if you overcomplicate trading, you're not going to get the results. And the whole reason why you guys are watching these streams, mine and other streamers, everything like that is you want to get the results. And the only way to get the results is simple. Learn a simple strategy that you can execute each and every day in the markets, and you'll see the success you're looking for. If you make it complicated, I can't promise you're going to get the results you want. That's just me. I can't do complicated. Just so you know, we're coming up on 11 o'clock. I would not recommend being in a trade at 11. Dre, what's up, bro? What's up, brother? You all right? I think I'm all right. I hope I'm all right. Farsi, if you stay locked in on this stream, I stream, fellas, morning sessions, 9:20 a.m. Eastern time for the New York session. And then 9:30 p.m., we have a traders hangout where we recap our trades for the day, for the most part, how we did. We talk about the markets, we talk about life, and everything in between. So you can learn by just tuning into these live streams on YouTube, or you can jump into the Legacy Wealth Society and get fast track, because my strategy is all in there that you can use for yourself. And we have over 100 something members in there simply making money each and every day. Brand new traders, seasoned traders, traders making 100 grand a month, traders working on their first payout. We have a wide range of people in there, and they're all executing the same exact way, simply making money from the markets. They robbing you, Duane. We supposed to rob the bank. They ain't robbing me, bro. They ain't robbing me. Yeah, going off of what Brett just said, Brett's by far the best moderator anyone could ever have. Shout out to Brett real quick. But on top of that, I look at trading as robbing the bank, fellas. So question, the reason why I say lock it in when you're in the green is this. When you rob the bank, are you going to sit there and wait for the cops to come show up? Or as soon as you get your money, are you out? You're always out. So you have to have that same mentality in the markets. When you get some green, I don't care if it's small green, big green, whatever green, lock it in and get out. So that way you can always protect what you got. Because if you're trying to sit around in the markets, be in a trade for a very long period of time, you're setting yourself up where you're going to have more losses than wins. But when you're quick in, quick out, you're locking in easily. We just had another bull flag print on the 2 minute. We're above that 910.75. Let's see here. Let's see if we get a slight little pullback down to the 910.75. I'll probably take another long here, targeting the pivot. Come on, Betsy. Yep. Here's the slight little pullback. Let's see how deep it goes. Because we just had the flag on the 2 minute right here. We had that flag right there. Want to see us build another small one on like this 1 minute chart here, so I can take a long. Watching the Renkos like a hawk right now, because that's why I used to jump in. I'm looking at my Renkos to know when to jump in, when not to jump in. Hopefully all you guys are staying safe in the markets today. I just got faked out right there, but we're going to see. I'm going to get ready to kill this one quick. So just had another bear flag on the 1 minute go right there. I closed out $200 right there. I could have stayed, but living by the just lock it in strategy right there. Because we pushed up, I did not like the Renkos. The Renkos felt kind of heavy. And when I felt heaviness, I did not want to stay in for it. Yeah, all-time highs for today, 926. Let's see if I get another opportunity to jump in here. Want to see a slight little pullback. I want to pull back down to like the 910 so I can take a long with momentum. And when the market's like real slow like that on the Renko bars, that's not a time to jump in. Like, just keep it a whole buck with y'all. No reason to jump in when the market's barely moving. Yes, we are creeping up, but we need to have some type of movement. Yeah, we're heavy in this area right here. So I'm glad I closed when I did in the green right there, because it's either we got push or we may start a small little pullback. And while the market's trying to figure out what it wants to do here, Let me jump on this screen real quick. Looks like we're trying to build a bull flag on the 2 minute. So for me personally, I want to break through this yellow line after the red candle. Like, I want to see a green candle push through the yellow line, but I want the red candle first. I want the candle to stay red, then the next candle to be green. We have that pivot point above us, 936.75 for the pivot. All right, we got a green candle on this 2 minute here. That's what I want to see. Let's see if we get some momentum here. I want to break through the yellow line with momentum, No momentum, no trade right now. Looks like some slight consolidation. We don't jump in during consolidation, people. And if you do, be prepared to get chopped up. Full transparency. Legacy, how we feeling, boys? How we feeling? It's quiet. It's quiet.
Yeah, it's because it's boring, man.
My bad, Steve. I did not know I was boring you.
Well, no, I mean, I'm just sitting there, we're like looking at pink right. Now you're fine. You're having a blast, and I'm having a good time on the screen, but
no, it be your own people, Brad. Be your own people. He just straight up said it. I'm boring. Now I know. Now I know. You're getting another Taylor Swift album coming to the house now. Just saying.
I swear to God, if I can find out who sent that, man. Jeez.
Dave, how you doing, bro? Brett, he lying?
I'm doing good. I'm doing good. I'm up on the funding.
Yes.
I'm good, man.
Awesome, bro. I'm so happy for you, Dave. Like, for real, I was talking to my girl last night about you, believe it or not.
Thank you.
And I was telling her.
I was actually talking to my girl about you as well, so there's like a lot of talk.
Well, I was talking to my girl first, Dave. Like, don't let Steve fool you, okay? I was talking to my girl about you first before he was talking to his girl about you after, okay? But I was telling her how proud I am of you.
Thank you.
Because you were one of the first founders of Legacy, right?
Yeah.
And to see you get another funded account. Yeah, I understand the whole how do I put it? Your situation, be over the road a lot, everything like that. So I definitely understand that. So the fact that you were able to bounce back after that first funded account you had and get another one, I'm proud of you.
Thank you.
I'm proud of you, for real.
Thank you. Appreciate that a lot, man. Trying to hold it. Hopefully I hold it.
Base hits, man. That's it. Base hits. Base freaking hits. Well, you should be looking for a payout. Was that the select account? Or was that with Lucid or somebody? Okay. He got real quiet on me now, so.
He's laying down, looking at the rank.
My apologies.
You know, just having a conversation, you just mute yourself. Like,
no.
Talking to myself here. Be your own people, boys. But that was a growth account or select account with Tradeify.
It was the same type of account. Because I took the blue pill.
Okay, so the select account.
Yeah.
Because with that, you literally, if you just stay consistent for 5 days, just base hits. That's all you need. Base hits over $150 max. Well, minimum on Tuesday, you'll be able to request a payout.
Okay. That.
So base hits, don't swing for the fence. Put like $200 in each day for 5 days, and you'll be able to request $500 because 50% you can request of your balance.
Okay. All right. Definitely.
You could do it that way, or you just build it up this week, and then you keep adding next week, and then next Friday take a payout.
All right. Well,
so take that pressure off. You say end of next week you're shooting for a payout. So each day you're just simply putting base hits in $150, $200 a day. Let that add up, and then you take a payout. Because listen, once you get your first payout, people, this is for the YouTube folks as well. Once you get your first payout from a prop firm, if you haven't gotten one yet, it makes this thing so real for you. It does not matter if it's $1 that you get deposit in your account. But once you see a positive go into your bank account, you're like, oh wait, I got that just from clicking a button. I can do this. And that's why for me, when I got my first payout, it was only like $1,000 payout. But that $1,000 told me mentally, like, oh, rinse and repeat. That's it. Rinse and repeat. Because I could do this all day long clicking buttons. Like all day long. So excited for you, Dave. G, I'm excited for you. I know you got a funded account as well. Mitch, I know you got yours.
I do all day long too, man. It was on.
Yeah, I just gotta bounce back on this whole thing and stay positive.
Bro, you're going, listen, let me help you. Let me help you mentally real quick. It's not about you bouncing back, right? You just need to stay consistent doing what you're already doing. So don't even tell yourself, I need to bounce back. No, you just keep showing up each and every day. Base hits each and every day.
You're right.
And you'll get it back quick. Because I myself, I'm not perfect.
No, that's wrong.
Hey,
You're a
cat's
robot.
out the bag. Your boy's not perfect.
You're a robot.
Because I had how do I put this? A realization. I had a realization yesterday because I've been pushing because I have a big goal this year for 500 grand in payouts from prop firms this year in 2026. So I've been pushing myself like I need to take out 10 grand every single week to hit that goal. But I told myself, why am I putting that pressure on me like that? If it takes me 2 weeks to take the 10 grand out, that's still a win, right? So why am I purposely trying to put more pressure on myself trading when it's not even necessary? And I feel like a lot of us do that, even if it's oh, I need to trade for 5 days. No, you don't. Trade for however many days you want. You don't have to only trade for 5 days for the payout. When I get my most payouts, I trade my accounts more than 5 days. They're normally like 7 days. And that's because why have that extra pressure of, oh, it has to be in 5? No. Just stay consistent. Show up each and every day in the markets, base hits, and you'll get consistent payouts. So I'm trying to help you guys take that pressure off of you if you feel pressure, because there is no pressure. Take your time. It's okay. Believe it or not, it's okay. Take your time. Why? The markets are always going to be here. Why? It does nothing against you for taking more time. There's nothing negative that comes from you taking a couple extra days to put money in a funded account. It takes nothing away from you if you take a couple extra days to pass the eval. The whole thing's about getting funded and getting payouts. Just let it flow on its own. Because when we put pressure on ourselves, that's when we have mental lapses. That's when we're jumping at trades because we're feeling the pressure. So allow that pressure to fall off of you because there's no reason to keep it on your back. There is no pressure. You dictate how much you earn, when you earn, nobody else. So don't allow yourself mentally to think that these prop firms or people are forcing you to have to trade. No. If you don't see your move in a day, don't trade. Don't trade. Don't trade. There's no reason. If you don't see your move, don't trade. because the strategies are built to make you money. And if you don't have a move, don't trade, because you're going to end up losing money 9 times out of 10 if you don't have your move. So this is me preaching right now because I want to see all you guys win. I want to see Legacy, all the members win. Big plans for all you guys. And I want to see how everyone on YouTube win. Because at the end of the day, that's why I'm doing this. I want to see everyone circle up and win together. Crazy. I like seeing winners. Like, this is not difficult, people. Brett, you ain't lying. Brett just said in the chat, even with a 50K account, 30 days till renewal, $100 a day, you can still pass it. So that being said, right, this is what I recommend all freshly funded traders to do, right? So each day you do base hits, put $200 a day in your account every single day for the entire month. The first month you're going to take one payout. One payout. For freshly funded traders, most traders never even gotten a payout. So first month you're going to take one freaking payout, but that's going to put it in your account $4,000 by you trading Monday through Friday, $200 a day. Yes, you'll have days where you make more than 200, and yes, some days a little bit less. But for the first month, total gross, you'll make $4,000. And with that $4,000, if you're with Tradeify, you'll request a $1,500 payout. Where does that put you at? Mathematically, the second month, you trade the same exact way. Base hits, $200 a day. You put another $4,000 in. But on the second month, you take 2 payouts. And you scale that way. Listen, if you just do that simple process, think about how much you'll actually earn by the end of the year by structuring it that way. The first month, 1 payout and you're funded. The second month, 2 payouts. The third month, 3 payouts. The fourth month, you'll have 4 payouts for the month. And this trading thing's really working. Guys, this is the best thing we could all be doing. And you just have to work on the stuff up here to get the results. It's not the charts. That's not where you win and lose. That just shows what you got going on up here. Because the charts, that's just the reflection of what you have in between your ears. And that's real. I'm preaching right now, boys. I apologize. But someone needed to hear this today. I don't know who it was, but someone needed to hear this, including myself. I'm preaching to myself. You guys just get to watch, okay? We'll say that. Let's see. Did my music end? No. Oh, yeah, it ended. So we're creeping up to this pivot point. We haven't had a lot of momentum. So that's why I haven't been like trying to take a trade, because no momentum, no trade. That's the rule.
Hey, I'm gonna log out, guys. Gotta take my grandmother.
Yep, go ahead, Mitch. We'll talk to you later, bro.
Later. Thanks.
I'll probably be staying on until 11:30. And then your boy has to run around town trying to pay for my trip to Mexico next month because my bank locked my debit card last night. Frustrating. So I'm gonna actually go into the bank, get with my bank, and be like, bro, I'm trying to go to Mexico next month. I want to drop this bag so I can go to Mexico. Please help me spend my money in my bank account. Like, this is craziness. And then hopefully I gotta log on to the Marriott's website today as well, because I gotta book my travel, my hotel, all that stuff for Canada this month. Because not only is Brett the best moderator, he's also my Canadian brother from Canada. And I'm going to Canada this month to go visit him, to go laugh, eat, record, and stream with y'all from Canada. What trader on YouTube does this? None. Your boy's built different, people. I'm sorry. Not only am I showing you how to win on the charts, but I'm also showing you how to enjoy the fruits of our labor. That's all I'm trying to do here. All right, coming down to this 21 EMA. We have not tapped it yet. We have not tapped it. 21 EMA is sitting right about the 904 level. 905.75 to be exact. If we get a trade before 11:30 with good momentum, I will take it. I do not care if it's a long or a short. We just have to have the momentum. Yeah, what? At 12:05, I did not try that. So I did get that text last night. That's weird. Yeah, literally all the, just looking at my text messages, and these were all, let me count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So your boy from last night, from 6:38 p.m. through midnight, literally tried to pay for my trip to Mexico, and it kept getting blocked. Straight craziness. Are we getting ready to come on down? Let's get through that 900 level. And maybe I'll take a little short if we have momentum here. I want to see us lose the 900 level before I would want to take it short. Come on, Betsy. Give us one last solid trade before we get off stream here. From my lips to the market maker's ears. All right, there we go. We went through that 900 level. Still gonna wait. Because 900s, the market acts weird. Any whole numbers, the market gets wonky. Let's go, Betsy. Give me $1,000. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Let's go. Almost there. Give me the G. I want the 1,000. I want the 1,000. Closed it. I closed it. I closed it. Looks like we're going to build a flag right here on the 1 and the 2 minute. We're below the 900. I want to stay below that 900. Let's see. Let's see. If this candle's going to be red, we got 45 seconds left. 45 seconds left on the 2 minute candle. I kind of want to wait to see what that candle ends up being. $20 seconds left on the 2 minute. Just patiently waiting here. Here comes the new candle. 5 seconds. Come on, Betsy. Close that. We're probably going to keep on coming down here. Probably retest the high of that 15-minute range. But quick little profits there. Quick little profits. Just to say we did something, right? Just to say we did something. Legacy, any questions or concerns? Because your boy's going to be getting off here at 11:30. Any questions or concerns from Legacy Wealth Society? Don't all talk at once.
Sorry, no. I was out of it doing something else. No, I mean everything's. Today sucked for me.
Today was pretty choppy. Today was still a pretty choppy day.
Yeah, today was. It didn't do what I wanted it to do. I just sat back.
Well, you sitting back, that's a good thing though, to be real. Like that's showing discipline because it's easy to click the button. It's hard to watch the markets move and not be in it.
But I hate sitting here.
No, I get that, but this is the time that you have to put in to get the results you want from this. Because what we're doing, we're literally waiting. We're sitting here waiting for the opportunity. We don't know when the opportunity is coming, but we're waiting for the opportunity. So if there's no opportunity, that's okay. Hopefully the next day there will be one, but we just gotta be patient. You will grow so much trading and learn how to have patience, because that's what this teaches you each and every day. Because if you rush into a trade, you get chopped up. If you wait for your trade, you make money. And that's it.
Very true.
Yup.
Yeah, I would say part of the edge in trading is knowing, you know, what days not to trade, because that's money saved.
If you didn't lose money, you still made money. That's why I say when it comes to trading. If you don't take a trade, you didn't lose anything. So you actually won. Because to watch the markets and not take a trade, that's hard. That's hard. December was the first month ever in my trading career that I had multiple days where I did not take a trade. So I'm still growing. We're all still growing. But can't rush the process, people. Can't rush the process. Anybody else in Legacy got something to say? Anything?
Yeah, Duane, I was gonna say your bank account keeps declining. You should get a credit card. Wait for it to hit the account and then pay it off. You'll get some benefits for traveling.
That's true. I do have a credit card, but I was just trying. I wasn't even thinking about it last night. You know what I'm saying? I was just trying to just pay it without. It was the first card I had on me.
I think that's what I'm gonna do. Put it on the credit card, prop funded accounts, prop firms.
Yeah.
So Duane, if you get a credit card that gives you benefits on miles, man, you'll be able to fund all your stuff with all the money that goes in and out through that credit card.
Yeah. Well, the whole thing with me, right? Because of how I travel, like I have an insider in the traveling industry, so I don't pay the same way most people pay. So that's why I don't really look for miles or anything like that, because of the way I get around the globe here.
That's what's up. Currently, I'm driving. I had to step away from the prop. I had to stay away because I lost one in one of my evals, and I say, you know what? Let me just keep driving, and I'll just look at the market through my computer.
Yep. Yeah, like don't rush the process, people. That's all I can preach, because when I rush the process, I don't get the results I want. When I sit calm, collected, and I wait patiently for the opportunity, that's when I make the money. Wow. Yeah. Well, Legacy, nothing but love to you guys. YouTube, nothing but love for you guys as well. Brett, my dog, love you, brother. Tonight, Traders Hangout, 9:30 p.m. Eastern Time. We're going to be talking about the charts. We're going to be talking about life and everything in between. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe so you guys can see that, because it's by far one of our best streams that we do. Other than making money with you guys in the morning. But yeah, I'm gonna get out of here. I will see you guys tonight, and if I don't see you tonight, I will see you guys again tomorrow morning, 9:20 a.m. Eastern Time. Be blessed, everybody.
All right, man.